In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a card to Cash App even if you don't know or don't have the zip code. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open Cash App and go to your linked banks or debit card section. If this is your first time adding the card, enter your card information as usual. And when you reach the zip code field, you can try leaving it blank if the app allows it, or see whether the field can be skipped. In some cases, users have reported being able to add a card without entering a zip code, although this doesn't work for everyone. Now, if skipping the zip code doesn't work, the next step is to use the billing zip code that's associated with your debit or credit card. You can usually find this by checking your online banking account or by contacting your bank or card issuer. If you do, enter the billing zip code exactly as it appears on your account and then try adding the card again. Now in my case, I am using Chase and the zip code default is going to be the 1206. All I have to do is go back to your Cash App and try putting this information. Now, if you've tried both methods and your card still won't be added, the best option is to contact your Cash App support or your bank's customer support. They can verify whether your card is eligible and confirm the correct billing information needed to link it successfully. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can try adding a card to Cash App without the zip code. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.